In today's video, I'm going to teach you about using HubSpot's reports and dashboards for 2024. HubSpot is an incredibly robust platform for managing customer relationships and offers excellent reporting tools to help you gather valuable insights about your business. Let's dive into how you can easily navigate through the reporting and dashboard functionalities within HubSpot. First, you'll want to start by heading over to the HubSpot User Guide. This is easily accessible from your account homepage. The User Guide section is a treasure trove of information, providing step-by-step instructions to navigate the many features HubSpot offers. Once you're in the User Guide, it's time to focus on a key area of interest: reporting. Next, you're going to locate and click on the Reporting tab. This will guide you to the heart of HubSpot's analytical capabilities. Reporting in HubSpot allows you to generate detailed insights into your customer data, giving you the ability to track performance metrics and understand customer behaviors. It's a crucial step for anyone looking to get the most out of their HubSpot experience. After you've familiarized yourself with the reporting section, the next thing you'll want to explore is dashboards. Dashboards in HubSpot are customizable and allow you to pull together reports, charts, and metrics all in one place. This step is particularly useful for visual learners or those who like to see all their data organized in a cohesive manner. You'll want to click on Dashboards from the menu, which gives you a centralized view of your analytics and performance in one glance. Think of it as your command center for data-driven decision-making. Once inside the Dashboards area, it's time to dive back into reporting for a closer look. Go ahead and click into this section to delve deeper into the reports you can create. This area allows you to create custom reports tailored specifically to your business needs. You can filter data, visualize trends, and even share these insights with your team. Being able to create specific reports adds immense value to your workflow by concentrating on what truly matters to you and your business. Finally, complete your journey by selecting Reports. Not to be confused with the Reporting tab you accessed earlier, this area focuses on the creation and the management of individual reports. Here, you can set up, customize, and save reports according to the unique metrics you want to track. By mastering these features, you can effectively harness your data to make informed, strategic decisions. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive guide to navigating the reports and dashboards features within HubSpot. Embrace these tools and let them power up your business analytics efforts, providing you with invaluable insights to lead you toward success. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps in maximizing your HubSpot experience.